At Oracle, we had scrums, and you put these people together from different disciplines so they have all the different skills necessary for delivering a sprint, delivering on a capability, on a user story. And we never factored in, quite frankly, culturally, how well is this group of 10 folks or so going to work together? Once again, information leads to informed decisions. I'm sure there are things that we could have done. There could practices we put in place. In fact, maybe we have to take these 10 people to create this scrum. Well, one of the first things they should do is let's just have a more formal process on how we're going to assess how each of us likes to work together and how we can be more effective, and figure out what is the process, what is the tools, technology, and stuff we're going to do. What are things that we're going to have to morph to have an effective culture? If you think of a Scrum, it's all about how they work together. Decisions are made quickly, and they can deliver sprints on a really tight time frame cadence.